Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope everybody's had a wonderful day. It has been a beautiful day here in Georgia, but a very cold one. Boy, look at all the people gathering for the holidays. I'm on COVID lockdown with my mother. We both contracted the COVID. So, anyway, I was getting stir crazy in the house. This is not a fun way to spend Christmas, but hey, at least I'm not in the hospital. I've been working on the Saab a little bit. I've got it going into a Saab specialist. Gonna get a valve cover, gasket put on it. I just don't feel like doing it right now. And it's going to the tire shop next week, get a couple of more new tires, and it's getting a four-wheel alignment. I wet sanded the headlights, but I have not sprayed the clear coat on them yet. So I got to do that. But you can see they're kind of cloudy looking from where I wet sanded them. I'm working on polishing. Let's see, I polished a few spots where there was some paint transfer, and I got a lot of it off. Let's see, where was it? Oh, right here, where she bumped into a car in the driveway. I mean, that was all just covered with beige Lexus paint. But I got it off with my Chemical Guys DA sander, and they're polished. They make good stuff, guys. But these Cooper radials on the back have just about had enough. I'm just gonna buy some more cheap tires. Thunder. These have been pretty good little tires. Nothing fancy, but they work well. But I thought I would do probably one of the coldest starts I'm probably gonna get here so far, at least in Georgia. This has been the coldest day I think we've had so far. Let's see what the temp is. Yes, low tire lights. Well, it's gotten up to 32. That was Friday, 32. I should have done this video this morning when the low was 25. But this is a cold-natured car. She does not like to start without some spitting and sputtering, so let's see what we got. Oh. A little bit of vibration, as you can probably see in the camera. But she smooths right out. But she is not happy. Woo! No, she did not like that cold start. Both rear tires just can't hold air anymore. So that's the main reason I'm going to replace them. Let's see what we got. Well, she's settling into a nice smooth idle now. Oh, yeah. But she's got an oil leak, and it leaks right there out of the valve cover onto that little hot no hand. And it stinks. Man, it stinks. And actually, it leaks enough to where it makes it down to the ground. She's running pretty good. Let's see if I can find. I've been parking her right up here. Yeah, you can see her little spotty places she leaves behind. But since we're out here, let's go ahead and do the Lexus. This should be what the hell did I do with the key? Oh, there it is. This should be nice. Should be nice. This baby will, oh crap. This baby will start up smooth. Did any of y'all watch Freddie Tavares and Tyler Hoovy and Ed, oh I can't remember his name, from VimWiki, their car trek series on YouTube? It was pretty funny. A little obnoxious and over the top, but it was still pretty good. I just finished watching the last episode where they made it to St. Louis. Okay, let's do it. Hell, I can't reach the darn key switch. Let's start this baby up. Ooh. Oh, now listen to that. Boy, you want to talk about two different cars. Man, that is smooth. Neither one of these have started in 2 days. We've been on the COVID lockdown. My mom got it first, and then I started feeling bad. I've had a test, but my results haven't come back yet. Oh, listen to that. So smooth. Yeah, she runs a little better than the old Saab back there. Old eyebrows, as I like to call it. Looks like it has eyebrows with the one round headlight and then the LED across the top. Yes, got some cold cars here. Oh. Yep, 32 degrees. Man, like butter. 94,650 miles. Man, she's running good. Running good. Got all the maintenance done. New brakes. She's ready for another 100K, guys. Yep. Need to put a cabin filter in it. I think that's what it was hollering for. I hope y'all are having a Merry Christmas. It has been, I'm blessed and thankful to be here and not be in the hospital, considering how bad I feel and how sick we are. And it's been kind of lonely, just the two of us, but at least we have each other. We could have been all by ourselves, which I know a few people, they are all by themselves today. Got a couple of people whose college kids are staying all by themselves because they've been exposed off at college, off at school, and were unable to come home. That'd be pretty sad. But hope everybody's doing good. Old Saab runs good too, but in its own different way. It has its own way of running good. I tell you one thing, it's got a better heated seat than that Lexus does. There we go. Yeah, that Lexus ain't got nothing on no Saab heat or heated seats. Shoot, no. Well, it's about, what time is it? 5:30. So the sun's winding down. Christmas 2020 wrapping up. Like I said, kind of boring and lonesome. And gosh, I hope we have a better 2021. Going to be a lot changing in January. Hopefully we'll all have a vaccine available and hopefully life can get back to normal. Anyway, still got the old Volvo. I had a guy, he wants to come get it. He wants to transplant a motor into it because he wants the 5-speed gearbox. He said he didn't have a problem giving me $950 for it, which would just be about half my money back. So I'll keep y'all updated. He wanted to come tomorrow, but of course with my situation, I had to tell him I'd been exposed and I'd been not feeling well, so we need to reschedule for sometime next week. So anyway, so hopefully we'll get that baby sold, and that'll give me a little more play money. I got my Christmas bonus. Give me a little more play money to maybe go out and find something else that runs worth of shit. Another auction find. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I really do appreciate it. And I'll keep y'all updated on the pending service work I'm going to do to the Saab alignment, tires, valve cover. I might even get that rear window fixed. Who knows? But y'all have a good day. We'll see you next time. Peace.